Copywriting: How to Get Paid to Write Words That Sell. Hello, and welcome back to 100 Ways to Make Money Online, the audiobook series where we explore practical, legitimate, and beginner-friendly ways to earn money using the internet. Today, we're diving into one of the highest-paying writing skills in the digital world: copywriting. If you've ever clicked on an advertisement, purchased a product online, signed up for an email newsletter, or downloaded a free guide because the words convinced you to take action, you've already experienced the power of copywriting. Every successful business depends on communication. And behind much of that communication is a copywriter. So, what exactly is copywriting? Copywriting is the art of writing persuasive words that encourage people to take a specific action. That action might be buying a product, subscribing to a newsletter, registering for a webinar, downloading an app, requesting a quote, or clicking a button. Unlike general content writing, which focuses mainly on educating or informing, copywriting is designed to persuade while still providing value. Think about a product page you've visited online. The headline grabs your attention. The description explains the benefits. The testimonials build trust. And finally, a button says something like "Buy now" or "Start free trial." Every one of those words has been carefully chosen. That's copywriting. Now you may be wondering, how do copywriters earn money? There are many opportunities. Businesses hire copywriters to write website pages, landing pages, product descriptions, sales pages, email campaigns, advertisements, brochures, video scripts, social media ads, and marketing content. Some work as freelancers. Others work with marketing agencies. Many experienced copywriters build their own consulting businesses. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine a company sells reusable water bottles. A content writer might describe the bottle's size, material, and features. A copywriter, however, focuses on the customer's problem and the solution. Instead of saying, "This bottle holds 1 liter of water," they might write, "Stay hydrated all day without constantly refilling your bottle." Notice the difference? Features describe the product. Benefits explain why people should care. Successful copywriting focuses on benefits. So, how can you become a copywriter? Step 1 is understanding your audience. Before writing anything, ask yourself, who am I writing for? What problems do they have? What goals are they trying to achieve? The better you understand your audience, the easier it becomes to write persuasive copy. Step 2 is learning the fundamentals. Good copywriting usually includes several key elements: a headline that captures attention, a clear explanation of the problem, a solution that creates interest, benefits that build desire, proof through testimonials or results, and finally, a strong call to action. These principles are used in advertisements, sales pages, emails, and even YouTube video titles. Step 3 is practicing every day. Rewrite advertisements you see online. Study successful product pages. Analyze email marketing campaigns. The more examples you study, the more naturally persuasive writing becomes. Step 4 is creating a portfolio. Even if you don't have clients yet, you can create sample landing pages, product descriptions, email campaigns, or advertisement copy for fictional businesses. Potential clients want to see what you can do. A strong portfolio speaks louder than a resume. Now let's discuss finding work. Many businesses hire freelance copywriters through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, freelancer.com, and People Per Hour. You can also connect directly with companies through LinkedIn or by reaching out to marketing agencies. As your experience grows, repeat clients often become your biggest source of income. Let's also discuss mistakes beginners should avoid. Don't exaggerate or make false promises. Trust is the foundation of good marketing. Avoid writing long paragraphs filled with unnecessary words. Simple, clear language is often more persuasive. Don't focus only on the product. Focus on the customer's problem and how the product helps solve it. And never stop testing and improving your writing. Even experienced copywriters continue learning throughout their careers. Now, how much can you earn? Copywriting is considered one of the highest-paying writing specialties because businesses measure its value by results. A single piece of effective copy can help generate sales for months or even years. Some beginners earn part-time income while building experience. Skilled copywriters who work with established businesses or specialize in areas like finance, software, healthcare, or e-commerce often earn significantly more. If you'd like to start learning today, there are many excellent resources available. Visit HubSpot Academy to learn about digital marketing and content creation. Explore Copyblogger for articles on persuasive writing. Read Marketing Insights from Neil Patel. Practice using Grammarly to improve clarity and grammar. Use Google Docs to organize your writing. And if you're brainstorming ideas or improving drafts, AI writing assistants can help you generate outlines and refine your work, but always add your own expertise, creativity, and editing. Before we finish, here's one important lesson. People don't buy products. They buy solutions. They buy confidence. They buy convenience. They buy better outcomes. Your job as a copywriter isn't to pressure people into buying. It's to help them understand why a solution matters. When your words genuinely help people make better decisions, businesses are happy to pay for your skills. So start today. Read advertisements. Study successful sales pages. Write every day. Build your portfolio. Keep improving. Because every great copywriter started with a blank page. Thank you for listening to episode 6 of 100 Ways to Make Money Online. In episode 7, we'll explore another exciting online income opportunity that can help you build a profitable digital career. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, the right words don't just tell a story. They inspire action. And sometimes those words can change both a business and your future.